We were just concerned about wetness in the basement, and so we decided we'd be proactive and look at it ahead of time. I always hear the ads on the radio, or see them on the TV commercials, and so we called the basement doctor, and they came out, and Charlie gave us a great solution to our problem. Everything was great with Charlie. He was our project manager. He came out, took a look at our basement, walked it around with us, and we shared our concerns with him. He came up with the possible solutions and gave us an estimate, and we felt like it was reasonable. Zach was the foreman. He came out, very professional, and he had Matt with him, and they were very concerned about the cleanliness of the job site, and they were very good about making sure everything was clean and tidy, and that I was happy with everything that they did both days that they were out. My experience with the basement doctor was 100% satisfied. They were very good about telling me all the process, what was going on. They were in and out very quickly, and I am thankful for the basement doctor for coming in and doing the job to 100% satisfaction.